comment, subscribe. Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today I am going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be making myself a treat. So what I'm actually going to be making is chia seed pudding. Now, it's not so much a pudding, but in a way it is. And it's a lot healthier than eating a yogurt or something like that. So I wanted to show you something that I enjoy. I actually got this from looking at some of the vegan YouTubers and
get this kind of
looking
chia
for
pudding
some
consistency
recipes
that we all
that I
love.
can make that I would actually like. And this was one that I tried probably over a year ago, and I actually haven't made it in a while, but I kind of want to get away from eating yogurt as much.
Yogurt.
I'll buy yogurt and all that every now and then as well, but this is a little bit better. So I'm gonna show you what it is, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm not gonna show my face as much on this video because I want you to see what I'm doing very clearly. So I have 4 containers here, and I have some coconut milk. This is just original coconut milk. I also have some blue agave. I got this from Sprouts. And I have some fresh pineapple that I just chopped. And I'm going to get my chia seeds. So here I have some chia seeds.
Wow.
All right, so I just got these from Sprouts grocery store. You can find these at many of the grocery stores, especially if it's like a health food grocery store. So I'm gonna put those there. So what I'm going to start off by doing is I want to make sure that I have what I need in here first, starting with the coconut milk. So it's gonna be one cup of coconut milk in each of the containers. So here I have my measuring cup, and I'm just going to pour 1 cup. I'll set this down to make sure that's a cup. Yes, so that's 1 cup, and I'm gonna pour this into one of the containers. All right, so then I'm gonna go again, take another cup. Sure, that's good, and I'm gonna pour that into another container. And I'm just gonna keep doing this until all of my little containers are ready. Okay, so now I have my containers ready to go. So the next thing I want to do to make sure it gets mixed in nice and good is I'm gonna put some blue agave syrup. It's raw blue agave, organic raw. And I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of that syrup. Now you don't have to use blue agave. I just found that it gives it the sweetness that I like. And if you want to cut back on sugar, you can use less, or you can use something else that you like that might have less sugar. But like I said, this is just to give you a treat that is a little bit better than eating so much yogurt or ice cream. It gives you, you know, a little treat. Sweet, but you don't feel so bad for eating it. Okay, so each one of these will have a tablespoon of the syrup. Now, I'm gonna mix that up with just a fork in each one to make sure the syrup is distributed evenly in the coconut milk. the next thing I'm going to do is add my chia seeds. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup. This is 1/4 of a cup in each container. 1/4 of a cup in each container. Chia seeds, when they're added to liquid, absorb the liquid and they puff up and become soft. That's what's gonna give it more of a texture. That's why it's called chia pudding. So now what I'm gonna do is actually just mix these in and try to mix it in pretty good. Now, the thing about this is you don't eat it right away. What I do is make it the day before or the night before, and then you can either let it sit for several hours, like four hours or so, or just, I prefer just to keep it overnight, and then it can be eaten the next day. Now I want to stir this up really good so they don't settle at the bottom, but that I get them distributed so that it absorbs that coconut milk. Those are all mixed. Now, the final step is to take whatever fresh fruit you want and we'll just put it in. So I'm just gonna take handfuls of the pineapples and put them in. Now, when I first made this, the first time I ever made this, I didn't put the fruit in, I just put it on top. But I found that if you put it in, then it absorbs some of the flavor of the pineapple too, and then you can put more fresh pineapple or fresh fruit on top, or granola or oats on top when you're ready to eat it. All right, so I think good. Maybe add a few more. So now that those are done, it's just in there like So those are all done. So I am going to just go ahead and start putting the lids on. That's one. There are 4. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator and let them sit overnight, and I will show you what they look like tomorrow. Hey guys, so the chia pudding is done and I wanted to show you what it looks like. So here I have one of them. So you can see here, looks a little strange, but all the chia seeds have puffed up now, and so I'll just kind of show you the consistency. You can see it here. So it doesn't look spectacular. You might be like, what is that someone's eating? But there it is. Wait, see if it'll focus. It's kind of hard to see. My light's a little bright, but it's really refreshing. It's cold. Not too sweet, but sweet enough. It helps to have the sweet pineapples. But it's a good breakfast or a good snack. And like I said, you can add like granola, more fruit on top. So I just wanted to get on and show you the finished product. So there's a consistency. I'm trying to get the light's kind of bright. It's kind of hard to see it. Let me if I you see that. And I put the chunks of pineapple. So that's it. This is the chia pudding. Coconut milk, agave syrup, chia seeds, and pineapple. Very easy to make. And delicious. I'm keeping the granola off because I don't want the extra calories from the granola. But if you want some crunchy, you can put some more chia seeds because on top, like before you eat it, because chia seeds are naturally crunchy, they just when they sit in liquid overnight or even just for a little while, they absorb the liquid and they become soft. So you can put the fresh chia seeds on top if you want the crunch, or you could put like hemp seeds on top, flax seeds and things like that to get some extra crunch without all the extra calories. Well, unless it's like a healthier granola, you could just put like some toasted oats. So I've almost demolished this one. I'm trying to hold it with one hand. I didn't put my camera on the stand. I'm holding it, so it's kind of hard to show the food and or show the pudding and eat it with one hand. So well, guys, that's it. It's chia pudding. It's refreshing. It doesn't make you feel heavy. I mean, it doesn't feel like you're eating anything really heavy. It's tasty. It's refreshing. Good breakfast or a good snack. So try it out and let me know what you think. You can mix it up and add different things, different flavors. This is just the one that I know how to make right now, and hopefully I'll learn some new ones. Yeah. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. I love you so much, and there's nothing you can do about it ever, ever.